Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to tan 3x. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about the u equal to 3 secant of 3x squared dx. Because first derivative of tan 3x you got about secant of 3x squared, but inside of tan we have 3x. First derivative of x you got about 1, that's why we have number 3 in here. Now because we don't have number 3, so we need to divide both sides by number 3. So this one in here we change by u secant of 3x squared dx. We change by this one. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 3 ln of the absolute value of u, and we put about c. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. Now let's go to the next one. We have the formula in here. u sin a cosine a equals to sin 2a. So about sin ax, that's about number 2 multiplied by 4x. Now we apply the formula in here. So capital A represent about 4x. So if we apply the formula in here, we have 2 sin 4x cosine 4x. And now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sin 4x. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have 4 cosine 4x dx. First derivative of sine you got about cosine, but inside of this one we have 4x. So if we do first derivative of 4x, you got about number 4 in here. Now because we don't have number 4 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 4. This one we change by u. This one we change by u. Cosine 4x dx we change by the u over number 4. Now number 2 divided by number 4, you got about 1 over 2, because we need to simplify. Next, I will add about positive number 9. Later that we need to minus about number 9, because I want to create about the factor divided by 9 plus u. 9 plus u divided by 9 plus u, you got about number 1. And we have negative number 9 over 9 plus u. The integration of number 1, you got about u. The integration of this one, we have negative number 9 ln of the absolute value of 9 plus u. And we put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.